So we are back. And about 2 to 3 weeks ago, I went ahead and signed up for some art subscription boxes, just like, I don't know, every other art YouTuber out there, if you can even call me that. So here we are. This arrived in the mail earlier today. I just got home from my day job and found it in the mailbox waiting for me. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this. And so this is this month's Paletteful Pack. And this is not a sponsored video. I did not receive this for free. This came out of my own pocket just like everything else on this channel. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing this and see what the month of October holds in store for us. So maybe it will be some Inktober themed stuff. I can only hope, because every month is Inktober when you're me and all you do is ink drawings. So got our handy dandy knife and we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and oh, look, it is actually, that's pretty cool. Okay. We have a bunch of paper that my girlfriend will hate because I'm gonna make a mess with it. Oh my god, I just hit everything. Okay, that was questionably a good or bad idea. I'm not sure if that was a good or bad idea. So we got some Princeton Art and Brush Company brushes. They are synthetic hair. They're golden Taklon, which is actually decent synthetic, which I know where these are going to end up going. All right, and we got a bunch of these little alcohol inks. I don't even know. I can't really, the setup is, whew, I'm sure it sounds and looks better than usual, but boy, is it inconvenient for me. But no one cares about me. So alcohol ink. Now this is like just clear rainbow. This is made by Marabou. I don't know if you guys can see this. But yeah, so I got a bunch of little, that's like a clear ink. Maybe it's like a colorless blender. And a purpley color. Okay, so these are the colors on there. It says rainbow, but it's clear. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. What? My girlfriend's going to freak out about this. This is a shimmery ink. What? It's got a bunch of, I don't know if this is going to appear on camera, but it's got a bunch of shimmer down there that I just stirred up. Are these all shimmery? No, they're not. Or are they? No, I don't think they are. So we have what's called magenta. Okay, that's a color I recognize. Caribbean, which is a blue. Aqua green. That was creepy. I'm never going to do that again. But yeah, aqua green. Turquoise. A lot of cool colors in this. Oh, and we got an earth. Metallic gold. So this is another one with shimmer. So let me shake it up. Do they all have the little... No, okay, only the shimmery ones have the little bead in there to help stir. Yeah, you can see there's definitely a metallic gold. So that color is an accurate name. And then cherry red. Ooh. This, honestly, probably going to see some use. Cherry red. And then we got... Okay, so so we have the Yupo or Yupo. I'm not sure how you say this, but it's made by Legion, and this is like a synthetic paper. And I'm not gonna lie, probably about 2 weeks ago, we were at Blix Art Materials, and we were looking at this stuff, and this stuff seemed really cool. And now I have it. So and this stuff is not cheap. So I'm gonna look at the little menu and see how much, if they have the prices listed on this, and see how much it costs. If not, I'm gonna look it up afterwards, because this stuff's not very cheap, and I was really excited to look at this, but or to try working with it. But it's a polypropylene or polyester or what does it say on here? Polypropylene, yeah. This is a polypropylene fully synthetic paper. And I am glad I have a pop filter on my mic, because that would... A polypropylene... What did I say? Was it? 100% polypropylene... Now I can't say it. 100% polypropylene paper. Ugh. But yeah, it's bright white. It's super... It's like plasticky smooth. Yeah. More purple thingies. Oh, hey, there's another color hiding in there. Lemon. Okay, so, and there's our menu. And this is the Inktober 2019 Premiere Pack, and it is based around alcohol ink. So I'll read that at the end. But what is this? What do we have here? Masterpiece for adult use. Oh, crap. I can't use this then. Oh, hold on. Masterpiece Alcohol Ink Art Panel. Double-sided vinyl hardcore substrate. Ready to use with acrylic paints, mixed media, and especially alcohol inks. Lightly textured, non-porous vinyl. Okay, it floats on the surface. So this is like an illustration. Vinyl is mounted to a hardcore MDF board with pH-neutral glue. Huh. So this is almost like an illustration board. Wow, I'm actually going to have a lot of fun with this. Double-sided vinyl alcohol ink hardcore art panel. Offers inspiring new surface for alcohol inks, while it also works for acrylic paints and other mixed media. Light texture will make it react a little differently than traditional paper, giving it a little bit more open time and a luminous or reflective quality. For best results, wipe off the panel with or without alcohol before you start. Well, luckily, I have a lot of alcohol, not the drinking kind. Okay, and that is the end of it. So let's take a look at the menu and see. Marabou alcohol inks. Create stunning works of art on a variety. Hold on. Marabou alcohol ink. 7 colors plus rainbow color additive. Oh, so it's an additive. That's pretty cool. Create stunning works of art on a variety of surfaces with vibrant and versatile alcohol inks. Use the range of colors on their own or blend the dye-based inks together for infinitely creative possibilities. The uniquely magical rainbow color additive gives any color a mesmerizing shimmer effects. It definitely says effect. The inks are fast-drying, permanent, and acid-free. Works best on non-porous surfaces. Holy crap, those inks are $31.92. Okay, for a record, I think this box is $35. So just right then and there's your value. $31.92 for those inks. Wow. Clean spills with isopropyl alcohol, which I have a lot of. To open the bottles, pull on the white cap, and you guys don't need me to read that. Don't use and spray bottles as inks contain alcohol, which should not be airborne. Okay. Masterpiece Alcohol Ink Panel 8x10, a non-porous double vinyl substrate designed specifically for alcohol inks, but can be used for acrylics and other multimedia applications. Vinyl is mounted to both sides of an MDF board with a pH natural glue so you can paint on both sides. And display the side you like best, or create a hanging mobile type display. Okay, yeah, so that retails for $5. Yuppido paper pad 5x7. And yeah, this is so basically I'm not gonna do this for the whole thing. The white synthetic paper is made of we already talked about it. It's polypropylene and it's waterproof and stain resistant. Super strong, it won't buckle or tear. It's acid free, archival, and is smooth and white and has a smooth, bright white surface. So it says it will accommodate pen and ink drawing, which I'm very curious to try out. And then, of course, the Princeton Brush Golden Taklon set of 4, which obviously is meant to be used with the alcohol inks. And then, of course, on the back side, you have your Inktober 2019 official prompt list. So there you have it. That is the Inktober 2019 Premiere Pack from Paletteful Packs. This is actually really cool. I'm really excited to try some of these alcohol inks, and especially since they're alcohol based, I'm curious to see how these work with Copics. So, on to the swatching and testing and art creativity that we will do in part 2 of the video.